Incredible. We all know that they're fantastic sportsmen, but I've seen them on the driving range, I've seen them on the putting green. They come out and have a bit of a flirt, if I can call it, with the golf. At the end of the day, it's great for the game, and I think if you're following what's happening on the world stage, lots of cricketers, once they stop playing, go into golf in a big way. But night golf has been a platform which has been supported now. This is going into its 7th year. Has to happen during the IPL, so necessarily, it falls in this month of April. But other than the weather, all I can tell you is there's a lot of excitement. I know Mr. Mysore went out of his way to invite some friends from other cities. They all made the effort to be here. It just shows the commitment. And I think the beautiful thing is that at the end of the day, whatever the contribution is going back into a cause, as we keep repeating, which is so fantastic. So from that point of view, the journey is not just continuing, but it's getting stronger and stronger every year.
What would you give to a young girl who wants to follow your path or wants to get into sports?
Good afternoon. My advice to all women, young girls growing up, I think first of all it's very important to have that self-belief. Don't worry about your financial background. Don't worry about where you come from, but focus your mind on what you want to achieve and what you want to accomplish in life. The stars are the limit, and it's important for you all to have that self-belief. Is the most important thing. And each and every one of you have your own inner champion, and it's important for you to find that purpose and go after it. Go after your goals. And don't let anyone discourage you or say you cannot make it. So it's all about the belief, and I want to encourage all young ladies, everyone as a matter of fact, to have that belief.
Played the last match only last night, but what sort of communication do you have within the team at this stage?
Well, the game, obviously last night game, we didn't have any conversation as yet. We have to sleep and get up for this very important day today. So, but we will regroup. It's work in progress as a management staff, as players. The good thing about being here with the Knight Riders team, there's no outside pressure, so that also helps. But as part of the management staff, we have to keep encouraging the players. One thing for sure, the players do practice very hard. They're giving their best at practice and preparation. The results is not going in our way, but that's part of the game. But we have to still keep believing and trusting the process and have the last 6 games give it our best shot.
Start to this tournament. But again, the ABB saw just now about Shao Shirani. Do you think this can instill that motivation and confidence or give that never say die attitude among the players within the camp? Do you have any plans to show this AB or make these little kids interact with the players around the season and how things are going right now?
It's a great point. I'll say one thing and then come to the question part of it. This is a very resilient team, the Knight Riders. This is our 18th season, and whenever we are referred to, if you look at our record, we are always in the top 3. And there are 2 instances that come to my mind that I always share with new people who come into the setup. Is in 2014. At halfway point, we had won only 2 and lost 5. But you know what happened in 2014? We set an IPL record and won 9 games in a row. And after that, we played Champions League and we won 5 in a row. So there's a record of 14 wins in a row. 2021, so that was not a flash in the pan. 2021, halfway, we were again 2 wins and 5 losses. We went to the final. So anything can happen in this format. There is still plenty of games left, and it's a matter of somebody showing that inspiration to get us across the line. So where that inspiration comes from can be from anywhere. And actually you make a great point, because when sometimes we get caught up with IPL and we look at the table and wins and losses and things like that, but then when you step back a little bit and look at some of what we're doing today and honoring the young ladies who are here, and then you put things in perspective and say there's a life way beyond tables and wins and losses, and you can draw inspiration from anywhere. So we'll definitely show this video, because you have a legend sitting here who has, and you have someone here who, between the two of them, the kind of experience and the knowledge and just the mindset and the belief that everything has been talked about, there's a lot of it that comes out of it. But certainly somewhere something can spark, and if it is one of these initiatives, and when people look at it and say, oh my God, this puts things in perspective, it might just clear somebody's mind. So it's a great idea. So we'll definitely try and draw inspiration from this as well. It's fantastic, what is happening to women's cricket. As you know, the WPL has really brought women's cricket to the limelight. And Ajinkya and I, we were talking about it, and so basically what has happened is with that tournament, it has really provided a platform and an opportunity. And we are big supporters of that. We have a women's team in the Caribbean, and we support that in a big way. And we tried to get a team in WPL as well, but there were only 5 teams and there were stronger bidders. Sooner or later we'll get there as well. And women's league, similar to men's IPL, is happening in almost all countries today. England it's happening, Australia is happening, here of course, and in the Caribbean, which started before anybody else. So we are huge supporters of that. Yesterday, Jhulan Goswami was with us watching the game, and I was sort of talking to her about the things that were happening in the game, and it's fantastic, and it's a great opportunity for all budding young ladies to look at that, and there is some amazing talent that's coming through. So very, very pleased about that. In fact, in the Caribbean last year, for the first time, we picked 2 women cricketers from India. Jemima Rodrigues and Shikha Pandey played for us in the Caribbean. So I think they are also getting a lot of exposure in other parts of the world. So I think it's only going from strength to strength.
Last one, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Venki, I am Zafar Ali Khan from Akhbar-e-Masri. As you know that you were a part of Earth's Day. Today is the Earth's Day. And in one of your editions, Earth's Day today, you were part of that. And Juhi Chawla along with Kelly, maybe you were there at Eden Gardens. So, soil being a part of this pitch, Earth. So, what would you say about the pitch?
The question is on the pitch now.
Yeah, on the pitch. After winning the toss, you batted second.
Nothing is wrong with the pitch. The pitch is good. We were all played yesterday, and that happens on some days. So we are not here to talk about the cricket pitch. We have at least 3 more games, home games, that we're going to bounce back and do well and make everyone in Calcutta proud.